Hey there everyone, HVAC Repair Guy here. Today we're putting two heavy hitters in the ring to see which ducted split air conditioner comes out on top. We are looking at the ultimate category, comparing the Tempstar Ion Series T5A1V and the Lennox SL25KCV. Starting with the Tempstar T5A1V, this unit is a high efficiency powerhouse. It hits an efficiency of 19.0 SEER and features a variable speed condenser fan along with a variable speed compressor. It's that compressor that gives the unit its modulating capacity. The ion system control allows the outdoor and indoor units to communicate to maximize efficiency and comfort. It's a quiet operator at 55 decibels and is manufactured in the USA. One detail to note, this model does not include louvered panel construction for coil protection. This is less effective and can lead to lower than rated operating efficiency. For protection, it comes with a 10-year warranty on parts and the compressor, plus a 10-year no-hassle unit replacement warranty. Now, let's look at the Lennox SL25KCV. This is a top-tier efficiency leader with a 26.0 SEER rating. Like the Tempstar, it utilizes a variable speed condenser fan and a variable speed compressor for precise cooling. It features louvered coil protection to help maintain its efficiency. It runs at a noise level of 58 decibels. It's also manufactured in the USA and carries a 10-year warranty on both parts and the compressor. We're about midway through this comparison, so I want to pause and ask you, when you're choosing a new AC, do you prioritize a higher SEER rating for energy savings or a better replacement warranty for peace of mind? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to see your thoughts. Back to the breakdown. While the Lennox SL25KCV has a significantly higher SEER rating at 26.0 compared to the Tempstar's 19.0, there is a big difference in the warranty coverage. The Tempstar T5A1V includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty, whereas the Lennox model offers 0 years for unit replacement. Both units feature compressor blankets to keep things running quietly. If I have to choose between these two, I'm going with the Tempstar T5A1V. While the Lennox is undeniably more efficient and offers superior coil protection with its louvered panels, that 10-year no-hassle unit replacement warranty from Tempstar provides a level of long-term security that's hard to overlook. Thanks for watching.